Follow these steps to replace your Greenlite Seed card reader with a Greenlite ePort device on your Model 3589 vending machine. Tools you need include a blade to cut zip ties, a Phillips head screwdriver, and an 11/32 nut driver. Make sure your machine is powered off. Disconnect the MDB harness from the coin mechanism. Squeeze the tabs like this to disconnect. Begin by removing the screws securing the coin chute. To help gain access to where you will be installing the card reader, use an 11/32 nut driver to remove the nuts underneath where you remove the coin chute. Then use a Phillips screwdriver or nut runner to remove 2 screws at the bottom of the machine. To access the front of the door, remove the coin assembly out of the machine. Place your top hand on the coin mechanism and your bottom hand near the coin box to remove. Then disconnect the antenna from the telemetry device by unscrewing the connection. Next, remove the antenna from the top of the machine by unscrewing the antenna from the inside of your machine. Take off the antenna from the top of your machine. Next, remove the zip ties from the harnesses. Now, unplug the MDB harness. Currently, the MDB harness is connecting the telemetry device to both the coin mech and the control board. Find the DEX cable, unplug it here. Then unplug the card reader from the telemetry device. Now remove the telemetry device from inside your machine. Next, find the back of the card reader and remove these 4 screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. You'll need these screws when installing the new Greenlite ePort card reader. Then remove the card reader from the front of the machine. Use an 11/32 nut driver to remove these 4 nuts so you can take off this Greenlite Seed plate. Now use the same nuts to install the new Greenlite ePort plate. Plug in the cord with the white connector into your ePort card reader here if it has not been done so already. Place the new Greenlite ePort card reader on the front of your machine like so with the cord in the machine. Attach the card reader with 4 Phillips screws. Now place the ePort telemetry device in your machine. Plug in your DEX cable here. Next, connect the MDB harnesses to the control board. The other harness will connect to the coin mechanism once it is reinstalled. Plug in the ePort telemetry device into the credit card reader here. Next, place the antenna wires through the top of the machine cabinet. The antennas are attached to the machine cabinet magnetically and can be adjusted to get the best signal. Push the antenna wires into the ePort telemetry device here to connect. Next, reinstall the coin assembly. You can then tighten the nuts at the coin box at the bottom and back underneath where you will place the coin chute. Then find the coin mechanism harness from the top of the coin mechanism and connect it to the harness from the telemetry device that is also connected to the control board. Use zip ties to tidy up the wires to make sure they don't get caught in the door or disrupt the machine's function. Now power the machine back on. Press the signal button on the telemetry device to check the signal strength. The signal strength goes up to 31, but anything over 12 is good. The interference goes up to 7 but needs to consistently be 4 or lower. Adjust antennas as needed.